Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we are going over the Berafi token. Name of the token is Berafi, ticker symbol is also Berafi. It says the easiest way to enter Berachain, a social login, gas sponsorship, and seamless trading for everyone, powered by Berafi. And we're going to go over the information on this token and talk about their brand new central exchange listing and how you can get this token, all in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So it says Berafi is a DeFi platform for Berachain, simplifying trading with account abstraction, social logins, and gas-sponsored transactions. It offers the best price aggregation, batch transactions, and liquidity mining. And this token, it was just announced, will be listed tomorrow, February 13th at 14 hours UTC time. This token will be listed on Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token here and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, and search the ticker symbol Berafi, all one word, and then simply just buy the token. Now, if you want to follow their Telegram, it is at Berafi_XYZ. They have 1,226 members. 79 of them are online right now. So that's going to be a great place to join the discussion regarding this project. Ask questions, learn more that way by talking to other community members, other token holders about the project. So check that out there. And then you can find this token on Berascan.com. They have a max total supply of 800 million Berafi tokens and 18 decimal places on this token. Now going on today, a day prior, a day before the actual listing on Mexc, they have here a Kickstarter event on Mexc Global where you could vote with MX tokens and potentially win airdrops. And there is a reward pool available of 60,000 USDT. So make sure you check out that Kickstarter event today on Mexc, and then the full listing tomorrow for the Berafi token on Mexc, and the link is down there in the description box. So their webpage is berafi.xyz, and there's tons of links over there, including farming, their application, overview, key features, start now button, frequently asked questions. It says the easiest way to enter Berachain. Seamless trading with social login, gas sponsorship, and seamless trading for everyone. It says IDO was on Coin Terminal, EC, and AI Agent Layer Pad. So they had an initial DEX offering before this full listing here. And it says no wallet, no problem. Berafi makes DeFi faster, safer, and more accessible for everyone. With account abstraction, you can start trading with just a single click, eliminating the need for complex wallet setups or private keys. So no wallet setup, No problem, sign in with your social provider and start trading. Easy for beginners. New to DeFi, Berafi's account abstraction removes the biggest barriers. No complicated wallets, no manual gas fees. Best price aggregation. So Berafi scans all Berachain dexes to ensure that you get the best possible prices for your swaps. By aggregating liquidity across multiple platforms, we help you trade efficiently with minimal slippage. The key features. Berafi is designed to make DeFi trading effortless, efficient, and accessible. Our innovative features ensure a seamless, secure, and cost-effective experience. There is social login, gas sponsoring, swap without worrying about gas fees. Let us cover it for you. There's bridging, so transfer assets between different blockchains with fast speeds and security. Many-to-one swaps convert multiple tokens into a single asset in just one transaction. There is liquidity mining. Earn rewards by providing liquidity and contributing to deep, efficient trading pools. And best price aggregation. Get the most competitive rates by sourcing liquidity from all Berachain dexes. And they have the batch transaction, so one-click swaps. You can trade multiple tokens in a single transaction, saving time and effort. No repeat approvals. We allow you to skip the hassle of signing multiple approvals for each swap. And lower gas fees. Reduce costs by bundling transactions into one efficient swap using our technology. So the Berafi token ecosystem. The Berafi token is the backbone of the whole Berafi ecosystem, designed to maximize value for holders and fuel the platform's growth. So it says, all platform-generated profits go directly to buying back Berafi tokens, reducing supply and increasing demand over time. Users can earn rewards by providing liquidity to trading pairs or participating in staking programs, and this ensures deep liquidity across the ecosystem while allowing holders to generate passive income. Holding Berafi tokens gives you a say in the future of Berafi. Token holders can vote on key protocol changes, including the structures, liquidity incentives, and ecosystem development. Berachain is an EVM-compatible Layer 1 blockchain built on the Cosmos SDK and is secured by an innovative proof of liquidity consensus. As more projects launch and adoption increases, Berachain has the potential to become one of the leading ecosystems in DeFi. You can check out my other video on Berachain, and you can actually get the Berachain token from Mexc Global as well. And then this token will be listed on Mexc Global as of tomorrow, so make sure you check that out. Let me know in the comments down there, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Make sure if you want to help support the channel, you hit that join button. If you want to stay up to date with what tokens I'm posting, and you want to see the posts as they come up, hit that notification bell as well, and you will get notified as soon as I upload a video on a new token. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.